going to sing this song. I just was full of admiration, you know, at the practical kindness, you know, for all these wars that have started up, and just what Germany did, I thought was fantastic. So I wrote a song about it. Poor Frau Merkel, she has her problems. I know, it's somewhere here in these notes. There we go. I'm getting very old now, so I need to some notes just in case I forget. The chorus of this is a little piece that I wrote with a friend of mine, another Sigi from Salzburg, very good friend. Unfortunately, he died of cancer. So I made this little tune, and then the tune started to grow into the song. So that's how it happened. One, two, three, see them run, running away from the war. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sink or swim. Some poor ones don't get far, and over the borders they come to safety. Oh, they're heading for high Germany. Deutschland, Deutschland, it's like a dream. It's a place where they can be free. Their star of liberty. And meanwhile the barrels are dropping from the skies of Damascus they fall. It's a battle of wills, and the graveyards fill, and the gunships fly home in the dawn. And meanwhile below in the concrete and steel, for those with nowhere to run, they burrow like rabbits in the bowels of the earth, strike fear with their bombs and their guns. And the new age lords of apocalypse rise, and they cry for a war on the west. For Jesus some heads have rolled in the sand as martyrs are put to the test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, see them run, running away from the war. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sink or swim. Some poor ones don't get far, and over the borders they come to safety. They're heading for high Germany. Deutschland, Deutschland, it's like a dream. It's a place where they can be free. Their star of liberty. And meanwhile the drones they are flying, like the angels of death they go. But it's man, not God, on the trigger, way back in New Mexico. And meanwhile below on the mountains of rock, for those with nowhere to run, they call on Allah to avenge their dead, and they run to their rockets and guns. And the call from the dead is revenge on the living, until they have joined them as well. It's an eye for an eye, and the daisy chain grows and drags our sweet earth down to hell. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, see them all running away from the war. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sink or swim, some poor ones don't get far. And over the borders they come to sleep at the other heaven for high Germany. Deutschland, Deutschland, it's like a dream, it's a place where they can be free. Their star of liberty. And who'll turn their back on the strangers, stay safe and cross over the road? And who'll be the ones who will reach out with love and help them to carry their loads? Some among us will shun them away and wish that they'd go back to hell. But for those who reach out to the least one of these, they're reaching to Jesus as well. For love is the healer and love is the cure. Love is our only command. Love is a reason to live or to die. Love